Hello everyone and welcome back to Cannon Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura E6 espresso machine. Now for this machine it was brought here because it was having some slow flow coming out through here and the filter was just getting clogged. So we had to open up the entire machine, remove the brew unit from the machine itself, and we also had to replace the shower screen. This is the older one. We cleaned it up completely. It was all clogged around here. Clean it up, but we noticed some slight bends over here, so we just decided to replace the entire thing with a newer one inside the machine. And yeah, that's what we did. We also deep cleaned the brew unit of the machine, lubricate the gaskets as well, make sure there's no leaks or anything around it, and put it back together. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. This is a previous shot that I made of the machine, and we're just going to use some hot water to clean our cup. That way we also test the hot water. Nice steady stream, as you can see. Perfect. Working excellent. And now we can do our shot of espresso. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent crema and 1.5 ounces, just as the machine said. So there you have it. Jura E6 working once again. Deep clean replace the filter, deep clean the brew unit as well, and just service. So thank you so much for repairing Cannon Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.